Chimpanzees are amazing animals. They are our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. We share about 98.7% of our DNA with them. This makes them fascinating to study. By learning about chimpanzees, we can learn a lot about ourselves and our own evolution. Chimpanzees are very intelligent. They can learn sign language. They can even use tools. This is something that was once thought to be unique to humans. Chimpanzees are also very social animals. They live in complex groups called communities. These communities have a complex social hierarchy. Just like humans, chimpanzees have families, friendships, and rivalries. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language. Chimpanzee communities are fascinating. They exhibit a rich tapestry of social interactions that are both complex and captivating. These communities are made up of several smaller groups called families, each with its own unique dynamics and roles. These families usually consist of a mother and her offspring, forming the core unit of the community. Males often stay in the community where they were born, maintaining lifelong connections with their birth group. Females, on the other hand, may move to other communities, seeking new opportunities and genetic diversity. Within these communities, chimpanzees have close bonds. They groom each other, which is a crucial part of their social life. Grooming helps to keep their fur clean, removing dirt and parasites. It also strengthens social bonds, reinforcing trust and cooperation among group members. Chimpanzees communicate with each other in many ways using a sophisticated system of signals. They use a variety of calls, hoots, and screams to convey different messages, from warnings to invitations. They also use facial expressions and body language, which can be subtle or dramatic. For example, a chimpanzee might show its teeth to signal aggression, a clear warning to others. Or it might hug another chimpanzee to show affection, demonstrating the depth of their emotional connections. These complex social structures with their intricate relationships and behaviors are part of what makes chimpanzees so fascinating. They offer a glimpse into the rich social lives of our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom. One of the most amazing things about chimpanzees is their intelligence. They have a remarkable ability to solve problems and adapt to their environment in ways that are truly fascinating. They are one of the few animals that use tools, showcasing their advanced cognitive abilities. This was once thought to be a uniquely human trait, but research has shown that chimpanzees are quite adept at using tools. However, chimpanzees have been observed using tools in the wild for many years, demonstrating their ingenuity and resourcefulness. For example, chimpanzees in some parts of Africa use sticks to fish for termites. This behavior is not just a random act, but a learned skill passed down through generations. They will insert the stick into a termite mound and then pull it out to eat the termites that cling to it. This method is both efficient and effective, showing their ability to use tools to access food sources. Chimpanzees also use stones to crack open nuts, a task that requires precision and strength. They will select a large, flat stone as an anvil, carefully choosing the right tool for the job. Then they will use a smaller stone to strike the nut and crack it open. This process involves a series of deliberate actions highlighting their problem-solving skills. This ability to learn and use tools is a testament to the intelligence of these amazing creatures. It shows that they are capable of complex thought processes and learning from their environment, much like humans. Chimpanzees are mainly found in Central and West Africa. They live in a variety of habitats. These include rainforests, woodlands, and grasslands. Unfortunately, chimpanzees are facing a number of threats. The biggest threat is habitat loss. Humans are cutting down forests for timber, agriculture, and development. This is destroying the homes of chimpanzees and many other animals. As their habitat shrinks, chimpanzees are forced into closer contact with humans. This often leads to conflict. Chimpanzees may raid crops for food, humans may kill them in retaliation. This conflict is a major threat to the survival of chimpanzees. Section 5. The fight to protect chimps is a crucial and ongoing battle. Another major threat to chimpanzees is poaching, which has devastating effects on their population. Chimpanzees are hunted for their meat, a practice that is both unsustainable and cruel. They are also captured for the illegal pet trade, where they are sold as exotic pets. Baby chimpanzees are especially vulnerable to these threats. They're often taken from their mothers at a very young age and sold as pets, which is heartbreaking. This is a cruel and inhumane practice that causes immense suffering. Thankfully, there are many dedicated people working tirelessly to protect chimpanzees. Conservation organizations are working to protect chimpanzee habitat, ensuring they have a safe place to live. They are also working to stop poaching and the illegal pet trade through various initiatives. Education is also key to chimpanzee conservation, as it raises awareness about their plight. By teaching people about the importance of chimpanzees, we can help to ensure their survival for future generations. It is important to remember that chimpanzees are an essential part of the ecosystem, playing a crucial role in maintaining its balance. Community involvement is also vital, as local support can make a significant difference in conservation efforts. There have been many success stories in chimpanzee conservation, showing that with effort and dedication, positive change is possible. The future of chimpanzee conservation depends on continued efforts and global cooperation to protect these incredible animals. Section 6: Chimpanzees and Us, a shared future. The future of chimpanzees is uncertain, however, there is still hope. By working together, we can protect these amazing animals and ensure their survival for future generations. We must remember that chimpanzees are not just animals. They are our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. They are intelligent, social creatures. They deserve our respect and protection. The plight of the chimpanzee is a reminder of our interconnectedness with all living things. Section 7. What can we do? There are many things that we can do to help chimpanzees. We can support conservation organizations that are working to protect chimpanzees in the wild. We can also reduce our impact on their habitat by consuming less and making sustainable choices. We can also spread the word about the importance of chimpanzee conservation. By educating others about these amazing animals, we can help to ensure their survival. Every little bit helps. Section 8. Hope for the future. The future of chimpanzees may seem bleak, but there is always hope. By working together, we can make a difference. We can protect these amazing animals and their habitat. We can ensure their survival for future generations. Let us all do our part to make the world a better place for chimpanzees and all living things.